executing strong marketing ideas is very important to grow a business. But how do we come up with such creative ideas? Welcome to Business and Management Podcast. Hello my friends, how are you doing? I hope that you always be healthy and successful. Welcome to Business and Management Podcast with myself as the host, Marcel Ludi. When I was just starting my career as marketing manager, one of the scariest things to do is to come up with creative marketing ideas to be executed for my brand. How do I generate ideas? My ideas will be executed for my brand, visible for my company, and to the public. It will be seen on TV. It was so scary. As I have learned the lessons, these are some of the tips on how to generate great and creative marketing ideas. Balance, inspiration, and perspiration. What do I mean by that? While it is important to work hard, to perspire, crunching the numbers, getting the data, analyzing it, to find the gap, to find the positioning that the brand can fill in, it is important to do more than just working on the data hours and hours. Balance that by getting inspiration from the people. Go visit consumers' home, talk to them, understand their habits and barriers to purchase. Go to the stores, looking at the shelves, talk to the shoppers. Ask them why they buy such brand, what is the reason, and more importantly, why they do not buy a brand, what is the barrier. Understand them, get inspiration from the people. And also, talk to your peers, talk to your bosses, learn from them. They are experienced people as well. Get their ideas and turn those ideas into a great marketing campaign. Therefore, balance your brain with your gut feel. Next, differentiate but do not imitate. There are already existing brands and competitors in the market. Those existing brands already have their own positioning. Rather than just trying to copy their message, it is more important to differentiate your brand. Do not imitate. Find the consumer's unmet needs that those existing brands or fail to deliver. Then make the most of it. Take advantage of that. Create a unique positioning that differentiate your brands from existing competitors in the market. So, it is good to be better, but it is better to be different. That is how you generate a strong, creative marketing ideas for your campaign. How about you? How do you generate great ideas for your business and brand? Please write in the column comments below. If you feel that this podcast is beneficial, please click like and subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends so we can spread the benefits. Thank you so much. May you always be healthy and successful. All the best.